Tablet PC Source Factory. Today, we'll take you into our outstanding factory. We specialize in the production of various tablet PCs, such as rugged 4G per 5G all-in-one machines. We follow the B2B model and offer highly professional OEM, ODM services. Whether it's an auto repair or police use rugged tablet, or whether it's a consumer or commercial tablet PC, we can customize them according to your needs. We strictly adhere to the reliability testing standards and firmly guarantee military-grade quality. From to production, every step showcases our professional strength. If you are looking for a reliable tablet PC partner, just choose us. Welcome to Inquire.